The world of digital marketing is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, challenging the status quo. Ash Mufareh, a prominent figure in the tech space, recognized this shifting landscape. He envisioned a future where artificial intelligence empowered businesses of all sizes. This vision led him to found ONPASSIVE, a company aiming to revolutionize the digital marketing industry. Mufareh's goal is ambitious: to empower entrepreneurs and businesses through AI-driven tools and a unique business model. ONPASSIVE seeks to level the playing field, making success accessible to all. At the heart of ONPASSIVE's philosophy is the idea of passive income. The company promises a system where users can build sustainable online businesses. This vision has resonated with many, attracting a rapidly growing global community of ONPASSIVians. Mufareh's message of empowerment and opportunity has struck a chord with individuals seeking financial freedom and control over their destinies. But before we get into it, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks. Central to ONPASSIVE's offering is a suite of digital marketing tools designed to streamline online business operations. These tools leverage the power of artificial intelligence to automate tasks and optimize performance. One such tool is OTrim, a URL shortening and tracking platform that provides valuable insights into user engagement. Another key product is Obless, a crowdfunding platform with a dual purpose. Obless connects individuals with causes they care about, facilitating social impact initiatives. Simultaneously, it empowers startups by providing them with an alternative funding avenue. For those seeking to expand their knowledge and skills in the digital realm, ONPASSIVE offers Ocademy. This online learning platform provides courses and resources on various aspects of digital marketing and entrepreneurship. ONPASSIVE recognizes that staying ahead of the curve requires continuous learning and development. To further enhance its ecosystem, ONPASSIVE launched OConnect, its first paid application. OConnect facilitates communication and collaboration among ONPASSIVians, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. ONPASSIVE operates on a multi-level marketing business model. This structure relies on a network of independent affiliates, known as ONPASSIVians, who promote the company's products and services. The company has witnessed rapid growth in its affiliate base, surging from 1.47 million in June 2023 to an estimated 5 million in early 2024. This surge in membership reflects the growing interest in ONPASSIVE's vision and its potential for generating passive income. ONPASSIVE's reach extends far beyond the digital realm. The company boasts a global presence with offices in strategic locations worldwide. Its headquarters are in the iconic Burj Khalifa in Dubai, a testament to its aspirations for global dominance. Further solidifying its international footprint, ONPASSIVE has established offices in Egypt and Bangladesh and has plans to expand into India. This strategic expansion demonstrates ONPASSIVE's commitment to serving a diverse and geographically dispersed user base. Section 4. Expanding horizons, reaching new heights. ONPASSIVE has ambitious plans for the future, aiming to become a dominant force in the tech industry. Mufareh envisions a world where ONPASSIVE boasts the largest number of applications by a single company. This bold vision underscores the company's commitment to innovation and its desire to create a comprehensive digital ecosystem. Beyond its core offerings, ONPASSIVE is venturing into new territories with projects like the Obless Nigeria project. This ambitious initiative aims to raise $2 billion to modernize Nigeria's railway system. This project exemplifies ONPASSIVE's desire to leverage its platform for social good and infrastructure development. The company's future plans include the launch of a suite of new applications in 2024, catering to diverse needs and interests. These applications span various sectors, including healthcare with OHealth, logistics with OTracker, entertainment with OJoy, women's empowerment with OWomen, and media with OMedia. This expansion into new verticals demonstrates ONPASSIVE's commitment to becoming an all-encompassing digital solutions provider. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how to make money online, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.